our valuation approach at Bizval, specifically on startups, but on everything really, is very much grounded in fundamentals. So we call it a mix of optimism and realism. And with what you've seen in the startup ecosystem in the past couple of years, do you think that is the right approach, especially with what's happened, after the pandemic, interest rates going up? Is there just more realism in general around what startups are actually worth?
Honestly, I think that actually, we've seen in the past years a big change in the whole industry, and I feel like there's almost there's a total shift and readjustment of the market. It almost reminds me of the .com era, where that everybody kind of got money and they had burn rates of hundreds of millions, and they still got so much funding, and it was not real. I mean, a lot of these business models, they didn't even have a perspective of when they can make money. They had a lot of leads maybe in the database, or had a cool idea, but it wasn't like there was a business model that was working like that, or even a perspective. So I think that it's an adjustment that we're seeing now that's actually very healthy for the market in some ways. The only challenge of that is that a lot of VCs now are waiting, they're looking at things, they're not making any decisions. So that makes it a little bit more difficult. But I think in terms of valuating and approaching investment projects, I think it is actually good that one now looks at different aspects and doesn't just make money, kind of throw money around for free, which kind of distorts the market, right?